friends, I've got a quick project today using the January Club Couture transfer. Before I begin, I need to clean off my chalkboard. I haven't used this one in a while, so I'm going to give it a generous spritzing of water, let the paste reactivate a bit, and then I'm going to use my paste scraper to scrape off all that paste and see how easy that comes off. That chalk paste has been on there for several months, obviously. So I'm just going to scrape that right off, and then you can see there's some shadowing that happens, which is not a big deal at all because I'm going to use my board eraser. So I'm going to spritz it again and then take my board eraser and just kind of wipe it. I'm not even scrubbing, and it's coming right off. I love this board eraser. So gets any little leftover chalk paste or shadowing that you might have on your chalkboard. It's a great tool to have. And I noticed one little spot that had a little bit of orange left. So I'm just going to make sure my chalkboard is nice and clean and dry. And then I'm going to fuzz my transfer, and clearly I need to wash that fuzzing cloth. It is well loved. So, today I am going to use two different color pastes. I'm going to use Peony and Couture Teal, and I'm going to kind of do an ombre in the center. It's a real easy technique to do. So I'm just going to start with the Peony, and I'm going to use that right across the top, or spread it right across the top of my transfer. And I'm going to go about halfway down, and then just about to where I kind of want to combine the colors. And then I'm going to use the Couture Teal on the bottom, which is always kind of interesting because it's the same color as the transfer. So almost looks like you don't have anything on there, or, you know, it's just all that teal color. Anyway, so once I get to the center, I'm going to grab a little bit more of the Peony and kind of blend those together. And then I'm going to give a quick little spritz of water on my finger, not too much. You don't want it to bleed underneath your transfer. And then I'm going to use that scraper to just pull that across the center to make it nice and neat. And look at that. I love how the colors just blend together. Such a fun and an easy technique. So I just love how this project turned out. So thanks for watching.